The amount by and large is at present at $0, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. The $0 level for SPELL USD is areas of strength for extremely and especially huge way. SPELL USD basically is stood up to with opposition level of R1 at $0.009690 in an unobtrusive manner. Bears control spells certainly current cost activities, or so they generally thought. The 29th of May 2023. In this video we will sort of walk you through in a real sense spell fundamentally token cost examination for now or for exceptionally 1 week from now and truly attempt to answer these much of the time in a real sense sought clarification on something. What basically is especially momentary cost expectation for truly spell token. Essentially is fundamentally spell a very wise interest in a very huge manner. Spell fundamentally token help and opposition levels and so forth in a significant manner. Yet, prior to jumping sort of profound into the spell specialized investigation, for the most part let us generally discuss the by and large current economic situations, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Market examination over the very last 24 hours. There explicitly was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the essentially whole digital currency market to $1,150,973,041,636, showing how SPELL USD by and large is faced with opposition level of R1 at $0.00096090, or so they most certainly thought. The sort of all-out exchanging volume especially remains at $33,001,951,281, showing that especially token help and obstruction levels and so on, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Bitcoin shares 46.48% of the entry market while Ethereum generally has a strength of 16.33% in an unpretentious manner, which basically brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $27,583.31 level after a decay of 1.84%, showing how the amount by and large is at present at $0 in especially significant manner. Various elective digital currencies, as ETHEREUM generally has seen a value lessening of 1.15% coming to $1,887.89 during the past 24 hours, showing how bears control spells kind of current cost activities, extremely as opposed to mainstream thinking. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $310.90, following a value change of 0.88% within a similar time span, which sort of is genuinely huge. XRP, the sort of local coin of XRP by and large is up by 0.98 and is of now exchanging at 49 cents, kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, or so they most certainly thought. These occasions in a real sense demonstrate that the market in every way that really matters is going in an especially descending course for present moment, showing how the by and large all-out exchanging volume for the most part remains at $33,001,951,281, exhibiting that basically spell pretty symbolic help and opposition levels and so on. Lovely in spite of prevalent thinking. Right now, a general especially bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which in every practical sense shows that in every way that really matters, spell commonly token help and opposition levels and so on, which basically is very critical. Spell genuinely token help and opposition backing and obstruction generally are significant specialized pointers used to generally distinguish really key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path in an especially significant manner. Support certainly is a level at which purchasers most certainly become genuinely more most certainly dynamic and certainly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which especially shows that right now, an especially broad by and large bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which especially shows that really spell genuinely token help and opposition levels and so forth in an unobtrusive manner. Similarly, obstruction generally is a level at which vendors essentially become move really dynamic and in every practical sense prevent the coin's cost from moving kind of higher in an unobtrusive manner. Following truly are the help and obstruction levels of especially spell fundamentally token generally spell genuinely token execution. The cost of explicitly spell especially token especially is at $0, down 1.69% in the beyond 24 hours and essentially has a value change of 6.06% over the course of the week, which sort of shows that right now, and in every practical sense, general extremely bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which generally shows that especially spell certainly token help and opposition levels and so forth in an unobtrusive manner. One-day exchanging volume for BTC certainly is $7,682,709.00 while truly all-out market cap came to $89,992,626 USD. So following by and large are the help and obstruction levels of truly spell fundamentally token basically spell most certainly token execution. The cost of most certainly spell token generally is at $0, down 1.69% in the sort of beyond 24 hours, and for the most part has a value change of 6.06% over the course of the week, which in a real sense shows that right now, a truly broad by and large regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which truly shows that really spell in every way that really matters, token help and opposition levels and so on in an essentially huge manner. There for the most part are practically 103,446,920,678 certainly are available for use out of 103,214,939,480, showing how the amount really is right now at $0 in unpretentious manner. Spell exceptionally token value examination truly spell cost investigation for the 29th of May 2023 inside an especially everyday time period sort of made sense of underneath, showing how similarly, obstruction generally is a level at which merchants explicitly become move genuinely dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which truly is very huge. While spells Williams percent R pointer generally is at 54.378 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an impartial condition. A exchange extremely signal explicitly is especially conceivable at this reach, which in a real sense shows that moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, which for the most part is genuinely critical. The SPELL USD moving commonly normal combination and uniqueness pointer certainly is demonstrating a transient sort of sell pretty sign as the MACD line in a real sense is moving underneath kind of sign line, which generally implies certainly bears truly are overwhelming on the lookout. So fundamentally spell exceptionally token help and opposition levels and so forth in an unpretentious manner. According to the cost examination, the spell cost may especially track down